third episode starts off with Greg, Whit and Beatrice walking along a path. Greg is singing a song about visiting Adelaide's house. Whit stops to tie his shoes and Beatrice complains that Whit is slowing them down. Greg is bored, so he urges Whit and Beatrice to do something fun with him. Beatrice sarcastically remarks that Greg should be more like Whit, who according to Beatrice, is a pushover who always does what he is told. As the three are walking, Whit and Beatrice lose track of Greg. Greg, wandering alone through the woods, finds a small schoolhouse, but he steers away from it because he doesn't want to go to school. Meanwhile, Whit and Beatrice come upon the exact same schoolhouse and they walk in. They are greeted at the door by the school's teacher, Miss Langtry. She tells them to sit down and Whit, trying to annoy Beatrice, does what she asks. He sarcastically reminds Beatrice that he's such a pushover that he has to do everything he is told to do. Beatrice tries to get Whit to leave by suggesting that Greg could be in trouble, but just then, they see Greg running around outside through the school's window. Miss Langtry tells Whit to stop talking, stating that she won't tolerate his nonsense. Her usage of the word nonsense reminds her of Jimmy Brown, a man whom she once loved, but who ran away. Miss Langtry goes on to sing Langtry's Lament, which expresses her sadness regarding Jimmy's disappearance while also teaching the alphabet. Outside of the school, Greg is talking to a raccoon, a deer, and a possum, none of which attend school. Greg tells the animals they should play to Old Cat, which he believes is played by literally finding two old cats. He finds one, and the deer finds the second, but Greg says this cat is too old. As they are searching for another old cat, a gorilla jumps out of the bushes, scaring them away. Greg and his animal friends hide on the bell atop the schoolhouse, which causes the bell to ring. Due to the ringing of the bell, Miss Langtry sends her students off to the dining area for mealtime. The gorilla, still chasing Greg and the animals, is knocked out by the possum, who hits the gorilla in the head with a stick. Greg and his animal friends walk inside and join the students at mealtime. Each student is served a plate of very bland potatoes. Greg notices how sad the bland potatoes make the students, so he comes up with a plan to make them tastier. Greg sees a bottle of molasses on Miss Langtry's piano and he grabs it and asks her to play a more cheerful song on the piano. As Langtry plays the piano, Greg sings Potatoes and Molasses. The performance features Greg walking across the dining hall tables and passing the bottle of molasses to the different school animals to pour on their potatoes. Many of the school animals play instruments to accompany the song. The song cheers all of the students up until the owner of the school, Mr. Langtry, orders the students to stop playing music. Mr. Langtry takes all of the students' instruments and tells Miss Langtry to send all of the children to bed. Greg feels as if he has let everyone down since he failed to have fun, change the world, and make it a better place. Whit, on the other hand, tells Beatrice that he might never give up his stubborn act of being a pushover. Greg, hearing Whit say that he'll never give up, uses this as motivation to not give up on the school and school animals. He, Whit, and Beatrice sneak out of the school and find Mr. Langtry crying in the forest. Speaking to himself, he expresses his regret in investing in a school for animals, stating that it was a bad idea. Desperate, Mr. Langtry decides he must sell the instruments to keep the school open. He goes to sleep in the forest by the instruments and Greg immediately says they should steal them. In the morning, Mr. Langtry wakes up in a panic, seeing that his instruments have been stolen. However, he soon discovers that they are being used by the school animals in a fundraising concert for the school. Just then, the gorilla returns. Mr. Langtry tells Whit to do something about the gorilla, and Whit makes a move toward him and immediately trips over his untied shoelaces, knocking the gorilla down as he falls. It is then revealed that it was only a man in a gorilla costume. The man is Jimmy Brown, Miss Langtry's love. He explains that he joined the circus to earn the money for a wedding ring, but he got stuck in the gorilla suit and everyone was too scared of the gorilla to help him out. Everyone is happy and Greg and the band perform a reprise of Potatoes and Molasses. Wirt asks Beatrice if they should leave, but Beatrice tells Wirt to let Greg have his fun while also reminding Wirt to tie his shoe.